Can you use a USB flash drive to play music in a Honda Civic? The answer is yes, even in this LX model with the most basic radio. The only requirement is that the flash drive needs to be formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. Also, compatible audio files include MP3, WMA, WAV, and AAC. In this car, the USB port is located next to my right knee. Insert the drive here. And immediately it will be detected. Then press the media button. My music starts playing right away, but you may need to tap the media button again to select the USB source. On the screen, along with the track name, I can see the music that the folder is in, and it will show an album name if available. To skip tracks, use the dial on the right. With this, you can skip forwards or backwards easily. To switch to another album, press the select button. Albums are just audio files organized in folders on the flash drive. I only have 2 albums here and I ripped these from CDs, but they work perfectly here. And those are the basics of how to play music from a flash drive in my Honda Civic. Before I end this video, here's a helpful tip. A typical storage device like this works, but I prefer to use this ultra-compact flash drive from SanDisk, and here's why. The regular flash drive sticks out quite a bit, and it can get caught on things or accidentally bumped. That can even damage the USB port itself. But the SanDisk drive is so small there's almost nothing that sticks out. I like these for the size, but it also comes in large capacities too. And it's so small I can actually close the cover to keep it safe. I'll list all the storage devices I use in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.